Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you hate cleaning your shower? I sure do. So I want to show you this awesome product. This is from Scrubbing Bubbles. This is a daily shower cleaner. What is awesome about this is it really does cut down on the amount of times you have to really deep clean your shower, because you just spray this on and it helps to prevent soap scum and buildup from forming in the shower, and it's really easy to use. So all you need to do is spray your shower down, and this has a super wide spray. So it's really nice because it's super easy to do and you get a wide area all at one time. And you don't have to do anything else. You just leave it there. You don't have to wipe it off. And it really makes a difference at keeping your shower cleaner for longer. So if you want to cut down on the amount of shower cleaning that you have to do because it's the worst chore, then I would definitely recommend the Scrubbing Bubbles Daily Shower Cleaner, and that's my point of view.